Rashmika. Today we are going to see how to make fish cutlet. And I have little things to do fish cutlets. First, for fish, and next turmeric powder, salt and breadcrumbs, and next chilli powder and coriander leaves, onions, green chilies. Before we start the dish to do, we should make the fish to boil in water. And we should use turmeric powder, and salt. And we should make it to boil. The fish is very helpful for our health, and it contains vitamin D and B2. It's ready to do. Okay, we can take it out. We have our fish is ready, and we should take the skin out of the fishes. We should take the skin and bone out of the fish. And can you see this fish that I have took? Yeah, and we should squeeze the potato, which we have kept it ready. We should squeeze it very nicely. We should squeeze it very nicely. And we should put it with fishes. Mixed it. We put the onions, we should cut the onions into small pieces and mix it with potatoes and all. And next we should take the chilli and mix it, and next leaves, coriander leaves, and next ginger and garlic paste, and take the spoon and put for spices, and salt, all. should mix it together. And we have did the mixture fillings of the cutlet, and we should make it like cutlet shape. And keep it. We should calm, then only it will fry easily. I have kept it in shape of and we should keep it in refrigerator for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes I have to cook. And I should take the egg, and we should mix it. Before that we should put a pinch of salt, and we should mix it a lot. Completed mixing, and we have breadcrumbs, and we should dip it in egg, and next dip it in breadcrumbs. And before that we should now I will change the position. Can you see the brownish color? I decorated it, and it's very nice to eat, and it's very soft also. Hereafter all will know how to make fish cutlet. Thank you.